Your trademark is registered, your brand value is growing, but here is the shocker. Your trademark can still expire. If you don't renew it on time, years of brand value can vanish overnight. In India, every registered trademark must be renewed every 10 years under the Trademark Act 1999. Miss the deadline and you risk losing exclusively rights to your own brand. I am Anjali from Diligence Certification, and in today's video, I will explain what trademark renewal is, why it matters, and how to renew it. What is trademark renewal? Trademark renewal simply means extended your ownership rights for another 10 years. You can apply up to 6 months before expiry. During the grace period after expiry with a late fee, renewal is filled using form TMR, and it keeps your brand legally protected, enforceable, and active. Why renewal is important? Renewing your trademark ensures strong legal protection against infringement, continued brand identity and consumer trust, higher business value for licensing and franchising, uninterrupted ownership rights. What happens if you don't renew? Failing to renew can lead to removal from the trademark register, loss of legal exclusivity, weak legal standing in infringement cases. The law allows restoration, but delays can be costly and risky. Renewal process. The renewal process includes Step 1. Filling form TMR. Step 2. Paying the government fee. Step 3. Registrar review and general publication. Step 4. Confirmation of renewal for another 10 years. You can renew with or without modification depending on your business needs. At Diligence Certification, we are here to guide you from start to end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.